Hi, this video is going to give you an overview of Google Drive and what it does, where to find it within the Glow platform. So Google Drive is your online cloud storage. Worth thinking about it as your computer's hard disk or your pen drive, but online, which means you can access it from any device at any time, anywhere you are, and you don't have to carry a physical drive around with you. Finding Drive within Glow is straightforward. You have one of two options. You can add the Google Drive tile on your homepage by going to the app library, search for Google Drive. You can add a link straight to Google Drive, unlike other Google apps from Workspace, which you can only access through the Drive or Classroom icons. Or you can access Google Drive by going through Classroom. If you choose to go through Classroom, you've already got that icon on your Glow homepage. You can go up to the top right corner, your app selector. As with other apps, you'll see Drive is in there, and that will open up Google Drive for you. All of the Google Workspace documents that you create within Glow are automatically saved in your Drive, and here is an overview of the Drive homepage. So you'll start off on My Drive, which is your drive. Everything that you create on Google Workspace using Glow will save automatically into My Drive. You can share your drive to other people. You can share parts of it to other people. So if you've shared a folder within Google Drive to other people that they can access, you'll see that in here. And if people have shared their drive or content from their drive with you, you'll find it here. So either folders or files from their Google Drive, you can access those shared ones here. I've also got recent to have a look at anything recent, and anything that you've put in the bin will stay there for 30 days before being deleted. So you can always, if you've deleted something by error, you can recover it and put it back into your drive. As I say, everything you create automatically saves here. So the most recent ones will be at the top. You can have multiple folders here to sort and organise all the different files. So if I select here Classroom, all of my Google Classrooms automatically create their own folder in here. What's great is after I've deleted the class, you'll see here I have far fewer classes than I do folders, so it keeps the classroom content for you even after you've deleted the classroom, just in case you still need that for, let's say you had a primary 6 class last year, you've now deleted that, but you've got a new primary 6 class, so you've created a new Google Classroom for them. You've still got all that content that you may want to reuse with your new class. And below that you can see all of the files that you have loaded or used or saved into your Google Drive, and that will continue to scroll all the way down. Key bits to know here: you can add a new file at any point, one of three ways. You can go up to the plus sign here in the top left corner and you can create a new folder. You can upload new files or folders from your device, and you can create new docs, sheets, slides and forms you can see here, and those will create open up a new form, for example, and you can do that from Drive. So it's really giving you the option here whether you want to start from Google Drive to create new content, or you're going to use Google Classroom to create your content, and it will save in the Drive anyway. You can create a new form from your Drive, but if you do create the new form using the app selector and selecting forms, it will save in your Drive automatically anyway. So a couple of ways of doing the same things. You can see here as well up at the top, you can get that same create menu. So if you select on My Drive, you can add new folders and new files. And if I scroll down past the suggested section to the files and folders area, if I right click with my mouse, or click the two fingers on your Chromebook, it will give you the option here to create new folders, files, just as you can with the plus sign. So a few different ways to create new files and folders within Google Drive.